What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Peter, and I'm back with another video. On this video, we will be talking about action paralysis in Forex, because that is a real thing. You know, this is like part of psychology in Forex, and I think this car talk video will become a series, maybe, because I love taking drives to clear my mind, and let's just give it a shot and see how it goes. So let's go right into the video. Today we will talk about psychology in Forex, because Forex is like an ocean. You know, the daily turnover in Forex is $7.5 trillion every day. Excuse me. Yeah, I was saying the daily turnover of Forex market is $7.5 trillion. That makes it an ocean, you know, and there's no a limit of the amount of money you can make or the amount of money you can lose. That all depends on the amount of money you're willing to risk, and how far the market moves from where you entered in your favor or against you. So psychology is actually more than 95% in Forex. It's the major thing. If maybe you are out there trying to start to venture into the Forex business, please go and study psychology. Go and study psychology. Go and read books about psychology. Start with the books in the industry, in the Forex industry, like Trading in the Zone. That's the best book you can read in Forex concerning psychology, because the Forex industry is gonna mess your mind up, man. You will, I promise you, you will meet yourself. You don't know who you are. The moment you start trading, these charts will mess up your mind, you know. You will find yourself doubting yourself, you know. You don't know how greedy you are. You might find you're a greedy person, or you are full of fear, you know, and so on and so forth. So psychology is key in Forex industry, and the reason I'm recording this video, I want to talk about something that happened to me this week on Monday. I trade on Mondays and Tuesdays. Wednesdays I don't trade. Thursdays and Fridays I just want to take a break from Forex some days, and also I have things to do in the middle of the week that are important as well. So on Monday I was seated at my desk. New York session. I'm seated well. I'm already there. I'm waiting for Forex for my setup, to unfold. I've marked my zone. I know where I will take in. I know my trigger, and I'm waiting for the market to come back to me so that I can buy. It was demand setup in GU, and man, the market came to me. Price came to me, did exactly what I was expecting it to do, and guess what? I did not take that trade. Why? The trade won, but it left me. Why? Because I had this thing we call action paralysis in Forex. Sometimes you will try to convince yourself, you know, check other time time frames, indicators, do what, look for other traders, try to think, consuming too much. And the forex industry is a game of probabilities. You don't know what will happen really. You just have to have your confluences, check them out. If you are satisfied with what you see or what your strategy entails, just go in and take the trade. Easy said than done, because of the psychology aspect of it, because when you lose money, when you're a beginner trader, the first time trading, you don't even know the danger in the market, so you don't second guess yourself. You just go in and trade and put the trade and maybe win. But the moment you lose, and then this psychological pain of losing money, we are poor people, poor kids. I mean, we were brought up from nothing, so, and we were taught like money is very, very important. Don't lose money, don't misuse money, money is scarce. So having a lot of years being taught by the society and our family, out of love, out of love, because it is true, there was no a lot of money around when we were growing up, so you can't just we are not used to having a lot of money and losing money. No matter who you are, losing money is painful psychologically, so that pain brings in fear. So you will find yourself sometimes that you will see a setup and you will be afraid of shooting the setup, and then the setup will play out exactly as you had anticipated and according to your trading plan. So I just want to tell you guys, if you're out there, this is normal. This is normal. This is, in my journey, I have really overcome this fear so far. I don't miss a lot of trades like earlier. So, but I know for real that my psychology has really improved since I started trading. My greed, my fear, and since this forex journey is not easy, the only way you lose is by quitting. If you quit, you lose. So never quit. When you lose a trade, don't bring yourself down. Even if I lost that trade on Monday, as in I did not take it, on Tuesday I was there and I went right in. I took a trade, took a loss, then looked for another trade. It was a winner. Sometimes you will blow an account. Gather yourself up. Don't beat yourself up. Don't mess up your psychology by doubting yourself even more and more. So please, guys, let's keep going, and I know one day it will all pay off. Let us structure ourselves with our rules, and believing in yourself more and more, and never quitting. Let us go and run towards the storm, because soon the storm will be over. And guess what? When the storm is over, one day you will wake up and you are profitable. But when you quit, you lose. That's when you lose. Because I've lost a lot of money over the last year trading, blowing accounts. I've blown more than 10 accounts, but I've learned a lot. I cannot recommend demo trading. Demo trading is not the best way to learn. Anyway, guys, peace and love. That's all for today. Peace and love. I'm out.